In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to rotate an image in Photoshop. It's a quick and easy process, and I will show you how to make precise adjustments to the rotation angle as well. First, let's select the Free Transform command. You can do this by going to the Edit menu and selecting Free Transform or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. This will bring up a bounding box around the image with rotation handles. To rotate the image, simply click and drag one of the rotation handles. You will see the angle value displayed in the options bar at the top of the screen as you rotate the image. If you want to rotate the image by a specific angle, you can enter the angle value in the options bar by clicking on the current angle value and typing in the desired angle. Once you are happy with the rotation, press enter or click the checkmark icon in the options bar to apply the transformation. The image will be rotated to the desired angle. And that's all there is to it. Rotating an image in Photoshop is a simple process, and now you know how to do it and make precise adjustments to the rotation angle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.